update on a detoxing drink and detoxing water. Today I want to give you a lovely, cool, nice detoxing water and also weight loss, and it's good for your immune system, keep you healthy and energize your body firm, and I mean for the spring break. All right, I want to say something to you. The t-shirt am already, the link is in the description box. Click on the link, go over, get your t-shirt, take a picture, send it to Chef Ricardo. We share it to the other fans and to say, listen, there are fans out there love the t-shirt, so you can see it on the YouTube channel. Anyway, we want to do you a update on the detoxing drink. You know what I mean, it's coming up to the gonna be the 1st of March. 1st of March, every first of every month, and I'm gonna do a 2 or 3 detoxing in the month, just to keep us update with the detoxing drink, keep your body healthy and nice. Okay, I want to do a celery water drink with celery, cucumber, celery and fresh mint, and also lemon. You know what I mean? The way how you can do this one is to get a big bucket like this. All right, guys, listen. Get a big bucket. Put your celery, your lemon, your fresh mint, and before you have your coffee in the morning, have this first. Or you can drink it straight through the day and do a detoxing to clean out your immune system. So we're gonna show you. I did a lot of recipe about detoxing. You know what I mean? The only thing with my detoxing, I keep up to date with it with my fans them who are following me and who love it. You know what I mean? I'm telling you, you may not see it, guys. If you follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, then you will see why I have to do detoxing every month. There are people love the detoxing water, and I keep reminding them, detox your body, because we all do eat meat and sometimes we eat junk food, and it's good to detox your body. All right, so today's recipe is the 1st of March, and this recipe is for you guys. It's gonna be a fantastic recipe. I love it, guys. So basically I got some water right here. As you can see, I got a few buckets of water, and I'm gonna show you the reason why I have so many water. You might have a Chef Ricardo, you have a lot of water there. All right, so the reason why I'm doing so many water, to show the fans exactly what I want. I'm gonna come with a celery drink very soon, so look out forward for that recipe. All right, guys. This is the lemon. We got the mint and the celery in the water. Guys, this is amazing. All right, this is amazing. Celery water, you know. I believe I did a video a couple of months ago on this one, you know, and decided to give it again because a lot of people doesn't know that celery water is really good for you. So what you want to do, you drink this right straight through the day. You drink this in the morning and this in the evening. All right, or this at 12 o'clock in the day. And if you have a co-worker, you give him one. If you have another co-worker, you can give him one. All right, guys, so this is all about it. The best time out to drink it is in the morning before your breakfast or before you eat or drink anything. That's the best time to have this kind of drink. Secondly, this kind of drink works really well right straight through the day. And secondly, guys, you can't go wrong with this kind of drink because it's one of the best from Chef Ricardo. Detoxing your body. A lot of people might have said, why are you putting up so much detoxing? Is the same. A lot of people doesn't know that every day we have new subscriber. Every day someone new coming on. So we have to keep the show running perfect. All right. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, and you can get the latest update and what's going on those pages. You need to follow me. All right, guys, as I said, detoxing is like you eat beef and chicken. You have to eat every day. You don't have to detox every day. You can detox 3 times a week, 2 times a week, 1 time a week, or even 3 times for the month. It's up to you. You know what I mean? Sometimes I will detox like 3 times for the week. You know, keep my body fresh and nice. Sometimes I just drink like fresh mint with cucumber water because that is just fresh and nice, and that is just natural ingredients. And sometimes I just put a piece of a lime in the water and drink it just to clean out the immune system. All right, I want to take the time out to say, guys, this is a very, very, very good drink. So let's, you know what I mean, keep it up, the good work. And also supporting Chef Ricardo. The t-shirt is online. Get your t-shirt, wear it, take a picture and email me. That's we can get it. Email address through Chef Ricardo on the YouTube channel. Good to go. I want to take the time out to say I love every one of you and I respect every one of you who support me, and I will never stop to detoxing water. All right, guys. Hopefully we can get a buckle where you can have just your detoxing buckle with Chef Ricardo in the future. Hopefully, because I love my detoxing and I would never stop do it. Guys, as I can see, very simple, just mint, cucumber and celery. Detoxing water today. Give it a try, give it a go. If you're allergic to any of these, please do not use it. Please do your own research on the internet. What is the benefit of mint, celery and also lemon? Because a lot of people are allergic to celery. Celery is an allergy, so be careful of celery. All right. I love you all, and thank you so much one more time again for watching my cooking show. Stay tuned from Chef Ricardo YouTube channel. Bye bye.